A very good morning to the student of class LKG. Welcome to the activity book class. Today, student, we are going to take up a new chapter here. That is your page number 34 and page number 35. But before that, I presume everybody is fit and fine with your family members, and please do not come out of your home unless it is very necessary. Besides this, you study please very hard for your next test, which is coming in the next week. Ask your parents to please come up and take the offline question paper so that you may be able to give your test. And please also ask them to kindly pay the fees till your July. Okay, so with this assumption, we can proceed with our class. Student, today we are going to take up a new, after writing the letters in your small letter, your cursive letter, both in the capital as well as in the small letters, we have seen and we have identified the different 26 letters written in the different form, okay, and the different pattern. Today we are going to see which letter comes before and which letter comes after. Okay, so किसी लेटर के पहले कौन सा लेटर आता है और कोई लेटर के बाद में कौन सा लेटर आता है. तो इसके लिए एक एग्जांपल हम लोग यहाँ पे देख लेंगे. जैसे कि ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड यहाँ पे लिखा है मैंने ABCDEF. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे अगर पूछा जाएगा व्हाट लेटर्स कम्स बिफोर योर बी, तो बिफोर मतलब क्या होगा, पहले. ठीक है, बिफोर मतलब हम लोग क्या कहेंगे यहाँ पे, पहले. बिफोर मतलब क्या होगा, पहले. तो बी से पहले कौन सा लेटर आएगा, तो दैट विल बी योर ए. ओके, सो वी विल सर्कल नाउ ए. अगर पूछा जाएगा व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट टू योर ई, अगर ई के बाद विच इज द लेटर विच कम्स आफ्टर ई, तो क्या कहेंगे, एफ. तो एफ, तो ये क्या होगा, आफ्टर. अगर ये आफ्टर पूछा जाएगा मतलब इसके बाद. अगर बिफोर पूछा जाएगा तो हम लोग लेफ्ट की तरफ जाएंगे. अगर आफ्टर पूछा जाएगा तो हम लोग राइट की तरफ जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो राइट में क्या है हमारा, तो हम लोग इसको सर्कल कर लेंगे एफ. ठीक है, तो इस तरह से हम लोग कर लेंगे. अगर पूछा जाएगा विच लेटर कम्स इन बिटवीन ए एंड सी, तो क्या रहेगा आंसर, इन बिटवीन मतलब बीच में. तो कोई भी दो अक्षर है उसके बीच में वाली लेटर क्या होगी, बी. तो इस बी को हम लोग क्या कर लेंगे, इस तरह से घेर लेंगे, बॉक्स बना लेंगे. बी कम्स इन बिटवीन ए एंड सी. उसी तरह से नेक्स्ट लेटर में अगर पूछा जाएगा विच लेटर कम्स इन बिटवीन डी एंड एफ, तो हम लोग क्या कहेंगे, ई. तो ये इन बिटवीन. तो इन बिटवीन मतलब क्या कहेंगे यहाँ पे, मिडिल. इन बिटवीन मतलब क्या कहेंगे, मिडिल. और बिफोर मतलब पहले और आफ्टर मतलब बाद में. ठीक है, तो आज ये पूरी एक्सरसाइज इसी एग्जाम्पल पर डिपेंडेंट है कि हम किस तरह से लेटर का पहले वाला और बाद वाला अक्षर को आइडेंटिफाई करके 4 लाइन में इसको अच्छी तरह से लिख पाए. ओके, तो चलिए लेट्स डू इट. So this is your page number 34 and 35, which I have already mentioned here, and it is the activity book class, and the topic name is what comes before and after. In between मैंने बीच में ऐसे बता दिया है so that एक general identification आपके दिमाग में रहे कि बीच वाले को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, in between. ठीक है, then we will use here white chalk so that you can resemble it out. So the first letter is what comes before your G? So can you identify what comes before your G? Then A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, तो G से पहले क्या आएगा, F. Okay, so we'll write down here F. Clear? उसके बाद M, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. M के बाद क्या आएगा, N. तो we'll write down N. Okay, उसी तरह Q से पहले क्या आएगा, A, P. We'll write down here P. Y के बाद क्या आएगा, what comes after Y, then that is your Z. Then what comes before your V, then that is your U. What comes after X, then that is your Y. What comes before your H, then it is your G. What comes after your K, then it will be your L. What comes before your J, then it is I. What comes after your R, then it is your S. With this we have completed. Then what comes before your N, then that will be your M. Okay, what comes after your T, this is the second column. that is your U. What comes before your X? That is your W. What comes after your H? That is your Y. What comes before your C? Then it is your B. What comes after D? Then it is your E. What comes before I? Then it is your H. What comes after A? Certainly B. What comes before B? O. Then it is your N. N for nest, O for owl. What comes after U? Then it is your V. V for van. Okay. And then we are having the third column. What comes before S? R. And what comes after L? That is your M. So with this we have completed page number 34. Now coming to page number 35. The first letter tells about G. So what comes before your G? Certainly it is F. Then what comes after X? Then it is your Y. What comes before your C? It will be your B. What comes after your H? It is your I. What comes before your X? Then that is your W. What comes before your I? Then your J. What comes before your H? That will be your G. What comes your after O? That will be your P. Okay. And coming to the third column, what comes before your L? Then it will be your K. What comes after your N? Then that is your O. What comes before your R? Then that will be Q. What comes after your F? Then that will be your G. What comes before your M? Then that will be L. What comes after your Y? Then that is your Z. What comes before your Q? Then that is your P. What comes after D? That will be your E. What comes before your V? Then that will be U. What comes after your S? That will be your T. What comes before your K? That will be your J. What comes after J? That will be your K. What comes before your A? So this is a wrong one. There is no letter before A, so we will omit this. Okay, we will omit this. What comes after U? Then that will be your V. So with this we have completed our exercise, and now the time is for the reading. So let's see how do we read it out. So F comes before your G, M comes up, N comes after your M, P comes before your Q, Z comes after your Y, U comes before your V, Y comes after your X, G comes before your H, L comes after your K, then I comes before your J, then S comes after your R. In this way we are supposed to read. M comes before your N, U comes after your T, W comes after your X, I comes after your H, B comes before your C, E comes after your D, H comes before your I, B comes after your A, N comes before your O, V comes after your U, R comes before your S, M comes after your L. With this we have completed your page number 34. Now coming to your page number 35. F comes before your G, Y comes after your X, B comes before your C, I comes after your H, W comes before your X, J comes after your I, G comes before your H, P comes after your O. Coming to the next column, K comes before your L, O comes after your N, Q comes before your R, G comes after your F, L comes before your M, Z comes after your Y, P comes before your Q, E comes after your D, U comes after your V, T comes after your S. And the last column, J comes before your K, K comes after your J, A, there is nothing which comes before that, so this is we can omit this one, we can put a cross here. And then V comes after your U. So with this we have completed this chapter also, and I presume you would have done it in a proper way, and if you haven't, then you can do it as a homework, and then in the next class we will talk about the vowels and the consonant. Okay, so thank you very much and have a nice day.